Hello everyone! Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. Today I am going to share with you a project on how I'm gonna make my fall pumpkin wreath. So as I showed you on my previous video, this is the pumpkin wreath form that I'm gonna use. I already pre-started it. I actually put yarns already there. I'll show you how to put the yarn in a minute. Let me take this out there. And I got my burlap, orange burlap mesh, and I got a pumpkin basket, and I have some green mesh for that one, and some fall mesh, and I have some leaves, fall leaves from last year's from my old stash. I can use those, and I got lots of flowers here from my stash, which I used before. I'll reuse it again, and something different now. And I'm gonna put this one that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I might use this over here, and also this metal words. So these are the possible materials that I'm gonna use for my pumpkin wreath fall decor. But then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna set those aside. I'm gonna show you how I made this one. This is I used a yarn for this one. So this is the yarn that I used. And I'm gonna use like about, if you got a ruler, you know, all you have to do is get your ruler and roll it 6 times. Okay, roll that 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There you go. And then cut it there. Okay. And then what you do next is take it off from the ruler. Oops, sorry, I'm bumping my camera again. And all you have to do is get the edge of it and put it here, and make 4 rows of yarn. So fold it again this way. So you're gonna have 4 strands of yarn. So you get, I already restarted this one, and I'm gonna do this one next. Just fold it this way, you know, fold your yarn this way, and sort of make a loop. And no, I think this is too much. It shouldn't be 4. Should be, there should only be 4 strands in total. So okay, make this double so you have 4 strands, and get this one here and make a loop and insert this one here. All right, so it won't slide this way. Put the glue in that. I think I still got this. Put the glue this way, there, and then secure it that way and start rolling like this one. Okay, if you can see it from there, start rolling it until you reach the edge. So once this is done, my next one is I'm going to cover this one also with black yarn, and as well as this as well as the what do you call this, the branch on top of the pumpkin. So when this is done, I will be back to show you how the pumpkin came out. All right, See you again later.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, I'm back. And here's the finished pumpkin wreath that I made. I hope you like how I made it. So there's a little girl over there, and I made some mesh, the green, and that's how I made my wreath there. Hopefully you like the pumpkin wreath that I made from the Dollar Tree. Until my next project, I'll see you again. Good night, everyone. God bless you. Bye.